In today's video I'm going to show you how to change Google Photos language. If I going on Google Photo, then click on the icon, you can see all the English. So how to change it? So first you going on your set mobile setting option, then click on the language, then again click on general management language, then here are type language. So you can see if I click on Hindi, then apply, then go back. Again, if I going on Google Photos, then click on the right icon, you can see it's already changes to another languages. So this is a method how can change Google Photos language in less than maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It's very easy. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.